how to buy Debitist token. So this token came under the symbol of DBT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, you can buy it on your account in MEXC. So first of all, open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, go in the search bar and type DBT like that and click on this pair that have USDT. Now after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see here, you can now type the amount that you want to buy, as you can see. So after that, you will be able to see how much you will be paid with that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. Now click on buy DBT. So in a few seconds, this token it will be added to your account. So this is how to buy DBT token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.